How to create or open Disney Plus account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to create an account and sign up for Disney Plus online. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to the official website of Disney Plus by typing disneyplus.com in your preferred browser. And once you are in the homepage of Disney Plus, you can simply click on login button in the top right corner. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll still need to click on login and then you will be redirected to the page where you can create your account. And after that, you need to enter your email address by typing your email in the provided field. And once you're done with that, simply click continue to move forward. And after that, you need to set up your account by creating a password. So choose a secure password that you will remember. And after that, check or uncheck any additional option and click on agree and continue. Now next, you will need to select a subscription plan. Disney Plus offers two options. One is premium that includes 4K video streaming onto the 4 devices simultaneously and ad-free content and downloads on up to the 10 device. And another is standard, which provides full HD streaming up to 2 devices at a time and fewer features than premium. So choose a plan that best suits your needs and click on select plan. And finally, enter your payment details. You can use a credit card or PayPal and choose between a monthly and annual subscription. Note that the annual option saves you to 16% but requires a one-time payment for the entire year. And once your payment details are in, simply click agree and subscribe. And that's it. Now you are successfully signed up for Disney Plus. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.